What is up, everybody? We are here with Andy. He is the founder of Proof of Print and the builder of the first ever Bitcoin mining 3D printer. This is really cool because last year Andy didn't have anything to show for his idea and his concept. This year we actually have a polished product. So Andy, tell me about what we're looking at right here.
Well, this is just a prototype. The product that it's demonstrating will look a little bit different. It'll be a lot bigger. It'll be a more practical machine. This is size limited for transportation purposes, but what we got here is a printer that hashes. So the heat bed's got ASIC chips underneath, and that's what generates the heat for the plastic to stick to and not shrink unevenly with.
So I'm looking right here, we've actually got a digital readout and it's telling me 285
on average.
7 gigahash.
It kind of cycles,
okay.
So it'll ramp up and down according to the temperature.
Okay.
What makes this unique from other printers is that other printers don't mine Bitcoin. So normal printers, like many other heating devices, use traditional resisted heating. So electricity and a hot wire, nichrome wire, yeah. So electricity and hot wire. This basically just replaces that with chips, so you get a rebate on your electricity.
What can we look forward to in a year from now? I mean, we saw a proof of concept last year, and this year we're seeing a polished product. What do you want to have a year from now?
This is a prototype. It's just really pretty prototype. In a year from now, I want to have a product launched and available to buy.
Okay.
So that, unsure if that's going to look to be a finished printer, if that's a kit, if that's just the bed, to be determined. But yeah, next year, hope to have a product out.
Awesome. And the final thing, tell me about this filament that you're using. So this is a color that I've not seen before. I know that you've been talking to me personally offline about it, but tell us a little bit about this specific filament.
So I live in Fargo, and in Fargo, we have a 3D filament manufacturer by the name of 3D Fuel. And one day I went in there and I said, hey John, I got an idea. We need Bitcoin orange filament for all the heat punk stuff. So this is PCTG, which is it's an engineering grade filament that has higher temperature resistance and impact resistance than your standard filaments, which makes it perfect for heat punk purposes. Build in other miners here. It handles those temperatures that they spit out and has style while it does it. Color match to Bitcoin orange.
So tell me, Andy, why are you here at the Heat Punk Summit?
I'm at the Heat Punk Summit because I like to think of myself as an OG heat punk. So this is an idea that's been brewing for a long time. I had this idea originally in like 2021. After meeting you and Tyler in Minnesota a couple years ago now, it was a great time. You know, it inspired me, this whole revolution, and re-inspired the whole idea. So when Tyler announced, we're gonna have a thing that's just Bitcoin mining heat reuse, it's like match made in heaven, perfect. So that's what brings me here, and that's why I'm back.
Oh yeah.
I will always come back.